Hello guys, in today's episode I'll be showing you guys how to diagnose a battery fuse overload protector. Uh, what happens is you got in an accident and right now your car does not start. So I'll be showing you guys how to diagnose this fuse and how to make it work. Alright, the fuse is located right here in here, and there's a 13 mil nut that you gotta remove, and then it comes out and it got a connector at the bottom. I think the connector is for airbag. So how you check that is you get your test light. I got here my homemade test light. The other end is attached to negative. You put it on the positive, the light's supposed to turn on. Okay, on right here, supposed to turn on here, everything's supposed to turn on, and then when you put it on here it doesn't turn on. Why? Because the connection between here to here is open, it got deployed, so inside is open, so that's why you get power here but nothing here, and this determines that your fuse got deployed, it's open, it will not start. So what you can do is to bypass this is grab a screwdriver. Since this one is positive, you attach on this and then you go touch it here and hold it together. So I'm holding it together, so if you ask someone to start the car should start. So this is how you bypass it, and that tells you that everything from here to the starter is good. And the test tells you that the fuse is open and need to be replaced. So from the behind, there's a nut right here. I think it's 13 mil, I'm not sure. You undo this one, and there's one on here, you undo that one, and then there's a harness underneath, you undo that one for the airbag. And before doing this, make sure to disconnect your ground. Alright, I got it out. So the bad one is when you shake it, it makes there's something loose there, so it makes a noise. It's a loose part. When you're shaking it, you can hear a sound. But this one, the good one, it should not make any sound. See, I'm shaking it, doesn't make any sound. So there's another way to tell which one is good, which one is bad. Okay, I installed the new fuse, so we're gonna see if I'm getting power here. Before we didn't have power right here, but now we do, because it's a new fuse. There's a connection from here to here because it's not open. So this is what the good one's supposed to look like. If you have power here, your fuse is good. If you don't have power there, your fuse is not good. You need a new fuse.